In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a thank you page to a ClickFunnels funnel. By the end, you'll have a clean, branded confirmation page that reassures new leads and guides them to what comes next. First, open your funnel. Log into your ClickFunnels account and head to Funnels from your dashboard. From the list, choose the specific funnel where you want to add the thank you page. This keeps everything organized and ensures the new page sits right in the flow your visitors already follow. Next, add a new funnel step. Inside the funnel view, look for the option to add a step, then click the button to create a new one. Give it a clear, memorable name such as Thank You or Confirmation, so you and your team immediately know its purpose. Keeping names tidy now makes it much easier to manage funnels later, especially if you duplicate or reorder steps. When you're ready, confirm by creating the funnel step. Now choose a template designed specifically for thank you pages. In the template selector, set the page type to thank you. If you're working in ClickFunnels Classic, you'll find these under Opt-in, then Thank You Templates. Browse the designs and pick one that fits the tone of your brand. Simple and minimal if you want to keep the focus on a download or next step, or more visual if you plan to include a video or image. When you've found a match, select the template to add it to your funnel. Finally, customize the thank you page. Open the editor and start with a clear headline like "Thanks for signing up" or "You're in." Then add a short message to confirm what someone just did, whether they opted in for a lead magnet, registered for a webinar, or completed a purchase. This is also a great place to set expectations. Tell them where to find their download, when they'll receive an email, or what to do next. If you have a video, embed it to welcome them and reinforce your brand. You can include an image or logo for a professional touch. Add a button or link that guides them forward, such as a download link, a redirect to a members area, or a prompt to check their inbox. Make sure your button copy is specific, like "Download your guide" or "Go to dashboard." Before you finish, save your changes and preview the page on desktop and mobile to confirm everything looks clean and works smoothly. That's it. You've added a thank you page to your ClickFunnels funnel that confirms the action, builds trust, and nudges visitors toward the next step.